Okay, today I'm wanting to show you guys how to use the voice type to type things in Google Docs. If you don't know how to do that, I would like to show you because it's a great way to, if you don't want to type things or it's hard for you to spell things like it is for me, what you can do is you can go to Tools and go down and pick Voice Typing, click on it. And when you're ready to type your voice, have your voice get typed, you just have to press on this speaker and then you need to speak and then it should record it. So let me see what use your prior knowledge to identify. Okay, so for example, you're going to click on it. As you can see, this turned red. This button turned to red, comma, and now it is typing things in that box. Make sure that your cursor is in that box when you're talking so that it types it in the right place. And then click on it again. And as you can see, it typed all the stuff that you said in that box. And yet another wonderful way to use technology if you prefer to use this. That's it. Hope it was helpful.